Today we discuss about properties of image by plane mirror. So now we observe properties of image by plane mirror. So first of all, you observe formation of image by plane mirror. So first here you take plane mirror. Plane mirror means one of the surface has reflecting surface and another surface has coated surface. So here reflecting surface is plane surface. Then the mirror is plane mirror. Now you observe image formation by plane mirror. So here you take one object in front of plane mirror. For suppose this is the object in front of plane mirror O dash. So now you observe image of this object produced by plane mirror. So here you take the light rays coming from object and entering into mirror. So first of all here you take two light rays coming from object and entering into plane mirror. For suppose one of the light ray coming from point O of object and entering into plane mirror in this direction. So here this light ray strikes a point on plane mirror is this point. So this is point of incidence at that point. So here you draw one normal. So this is normal for this point of incidence or this reflecting surface at this point. So here you also draw reflected ray produced by this plane mirror. So reflected ray means here angle between incident ray and normal is certain angle. At that angle only reflected ray comes back into same medium. That means like this. So this is reflected ray of first incident ray. Reflected ray of first incident. Next you take another incident ray from point O only. So that means from point O here you take another incident ray like this. So this is second incident ray coming from point O of object. Now also you observe reflected ray. So first here you draw one normal of plane mirror at this point. So this is normal. Here incident ray making certain angle with normal. At that angle only reflected ray will comes back into same medium in this direction. So this is second reflected ray of second incident ray. So here these two are reflected rays produced by two incident rays coming from point O object. So here you extend these two reflected rays backwards like this. So this ray also extend backwards like this. So here two reflected rays meet at a point. Then the point is point of image of point object O. This is the image point of object O. So that is I. And another one here also you take two another light rays coming from O dash object like this. So this is one of the incident ray. After reflection it is reflected back into same medium like this. And here also you observe another incident ray on reflecting on plane mirror like this. After reflection these light reflected back into same medium with the same angle like this. So this is one of the reflected ray and this is another reflected ray. These two reflected rays appears to diverging from a point. So appears to diverging from a point means here also you extend reflected rays backwards like this. And this is also extend backward like this. So these two reflected rays are meet at a point. Meet at a point, then the point is point of image of O dash object. So this is the image point of O dash object, that is I dash. That means here I dash is image of object O dash. Here I dash is image of object of O dash. Here image formed by extended reflected rays. Image formed by extended reflected rays means then the image is virtual image. Then the image is virtual image. So that means plane mirror always forms virtual image for real object. So this is real object. Real object means the light rays originally coming from object. Then the object is real object. So here we have taken real object. At that time plane mirror produce virtual image. So and in case there is virtual object, at that time plane mirror produce real image. So here plane mirror always forms virtual image for real object. And here you also observe laterally inverted image. Laterally inverted image means, for suppose in case in the place of object there is another object like a letter J, like a letter J. At that time you will get image of letter J in this direction. In this direction. That means here sides of object appears change in image. That means sides of object means that is lateral. So laterals are appears changes. Laterals changes means here left side of object appears as right side of image and the right side of object appears as left side of image. So then the sides changes of image means that is a laterally inverted image. That means plane mirror produce virtual image and laterally inverted image. Laterally inverted image. And here you also observe size of object and size of image. So here size of object is equal to size of image. So in plane mirror you also observe same size of image size is same as that of object. Or same size image. In plane mirror we observe same size image. Same size image means size of image is equal to size of object. And in this case you also observe the distance between object and mirror is equal to the distance between mirror and image. So here distance between object and mirror is denoted as u. Here u means object distance, and the distance between mirror and image it is denoted as v. This is the image distance. So in plane mirror you also observe object distance is equal to image distance. Object distance is equal to image distance. So these are the properties we observed on plane mirror. So in this plane mirror we observed these properties of image. Those are virtual image and a laterally inverted image and the same size of image as that of object, and object distance is equal to image distance. So these are the properties of image by plane mirror.